On today's episode of YYE, Your Yonge and Eglinton, we're here to meet Brad Copeland, owner of iTechnique. He's the repair master of all things Apple. Let's head inside and have a chat with Brad. Brad, thank you very much for having us and for doing this.
Thank you.
Let's start off by having you tell everybody about your business here at iTechnique.
So we're an Apple premium service provider. So we're located at Yonge and Eglinton, 2103 Yonge Street. We fix pretty much every product that Apple makes here, the exception of old iPods. So iPhones, Apple TVs, Macs of all shapes and sizes. We do in-warranty repairs, out-of-warranty repairs, upgrades on older hardware that need a little TLC to sort of join us in the year 2019.
Okay, great. Let's get right to, I think, a big question that everybody would want to know the answer to. Why should somebody come here and see you and your techs at iTechnique versus just headed to the Apple store?
A lot of the time, like the initial consult to get seen and diagnosis is going to be quite a bit quicker here. Our repair turnaround time is usually quite a bit quicker. Pretty consistently since 2009, since we opened, our repair turnaround time here has been about a third of the regional average. Also, I'd say there's a big element of consistency here, which you wouldn't get at an Apple store. Like for example, like there, one individual might take in your computer, another person might repair it, and then when the repaired device is getting returned to you, it could be a completely different person. Whereas here, there's two of us who are here. Both of us are here pretty much all the time. Like I have multiple repeat customers who've been coming here for 2 years who are on their like third or fourth computer. I know all the different repairs that computer's had, all the things that have been done to it over the years, and there's just sort of a familiarity, I think, that is a little tougher to accomplish in such a big operation as one of those small stores.
Okay, so it sounds like saving time is a big one, and time is money, so...
For a lot of people, especially nowadays with phones and computers, I mean, like, who wants to be without their computer for 7 to 10 business days? I couldn't do it, you probably couldn't do it.
Right. What would you say are the main issues that people are coming here to see you to get repaired or fixed?
A lot of that would be damage, so people tend to drop. I mean, all the new iPhones are really shiny and nice, and they've got glass backs and glass fronts, but you know what? That stuff is slippery, and it just right out of your hand sometimes. So we do a lot of broken screens, we do a lot of liquid spills on laptops, backpacks get dropped, things get dented, screens get broken. We do a lot of battery swaps. All rechargeable batteries essentially are designed to be consumable items, so they all have a finite lifespan. So phones are good for so many cycles, computer batteries are good for so many cycles, and after a certain amount of years, batteries just don't work anymore, they don't hold the charge. So we swap out tons of batteries in phones and computers as well.
Now, a big fear that I, and I'm sure that many people who are watching have, is losing their data, losing their pictures, losing their memories, essentially. Do you do data recovery?
Yeah, I mean, we're always happy to try. Like, there's never going to be a 100% success rate on that, depending on the product, the technology, and the circumstances of the failure. Sometimes we have great luck with it, sometimes it's a little beyond what we can do, but we're always happy to take a look at it.
Okay, so Brad, thank you. For anybody who's watching, if you need anything done repair-wise or whatever with any iProduct, basically, come and visit Brad and his techs at iTechnique. Brad, remind everybody where to find you.
We're at 2103 Yonge Street, so we're just south of Eglinton on the east side. You can find us online, www.i-technique.ca, and our email address is info@i-technique.ca. We're also on Twitter and Facebook. You can just search iTechnique Toronto, and we're on both platforms.
Perfect. Brad, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.